Hi everybody, it's a short video about ZLRC Beast SG906Pro drone. It's a foldable drone, as you know. It has a 25 minutes flight time, about 25 minutes, and the main advantage of this drone is a gimbal, 2-axis gimbal. So I'll show how to calibrate the drone, and then I will show some footage from the drone. Wi-Fi. The main advantages of the drone is of course the price. It's $140 only, and real working 2-axis gimbal, as you can see. It flies about 20-25 minutes, flies very fast, flies good, but it's sure it's a great drone for beginners, but there are some contras, of course. The video that drone records is not so good, and it's a bit shaken. Hold the video. Yeah, connected. Okay, let's start the program. The original application is H1 Pro, but you can also use GPS drone and CSG GPS Pro. That all three application works good. But now I'll show you how to calibrate the drone. I should turn the GPS on. Okay. I don't know why, and the first calibration is the level calibration and the gimbal calibration, and it always says calibration failed for the first time, and the second time calibration goes well. So turn around 3 times in horizontal position until short beep comes, and nose down 3 times in vertical position until the short beep comes. Yeah, it's okay, it's calibrated. To start the drone, well, you can see my hands. To start the drone, we need to switch these joysticks down and side. As you see, the engine starts and you can take off, but now it's in mode 1, optical flow mode, because it's in my kitchen. He of course can't use the satellites, 0 satellites. So just start the engines and take off. It's very easy to fly, flies very good, but there are some of course it makes really good photos, but the video is a bit shaky. But if you, for example, editing these videos with the site application, it will be okay. So you need to stabilize the video. And of course you can use it as the first drone. It's cheap, it flies well, records good video, takes really good photos, fly 120 meters high, and about 60 meters away it can fly more, but without FPV signal. So I will add some footage with stabilization and without stabilization, so you can see how it records the video. By the way, follow me mode works not so well, I will show, and the other modes maybe doesn't work at all. So let's see how it flies how it records video.